Hello, here. Good morning and a very warm welcome again to my channel, Rajesh Yergetla. So I hope you all are doing well. So every time when I make a video, it's related to our human life or say nature, and that is the most important thing. So today I have bought a new subject, a new topic. Previously, I created a topic on, say, problems of teachers being private school teachers, how we were suffering, and then I came on online scams, how the people are making fraud, how the people are making fool of what do you call normal people, giving opportunities, saying they will get job and stealing their money. But what my today's topic is there is very much related to the same thing, but here I want to ask a simple question before I start my video, or say the topic, the discussion on that topic what today I'm going to talk with you or discuss with you. I want to ask a simple question, and I want everyone to answer in my comment box. Whether you like or not, it's a different thing. Whether you subscribe my channel or not, it's a different thing. But the main motto of making this video is not gaining views and not earning money. My dear viewers, I want the answer that a simple question, whether a farmer is important or not for our nation. I want this answer from everyone who is watching this video, not only my friends. It will be circulated to everyone. I want everyone to answer my question: is farmer important for us or not? If yes, write the reason. If no, if you feel no, a farmer is not important, then also write the reason. Okay, I'm giving you the 100% surety that I will reply your queries on this point. So why today I am making this video is, we don't give much importance to farmers. Okay, when we go to an MNC, when we go to an IT company or a reputed institutions or any kind of higher level companies, those who are having a profit or turnover of crores, they have given much importance that the people, the staff, those who are working, they get much salary. It's a good thing, definitely they deserve. They work hard, so they are getting the salary. It's a very good thing. But at the same time, why not then farmer? Why not that farmer? Okay, if that manager who is working in a MNC, or say if that IT professional, if that engineer, if say if that contractor, if the contractor, if the builder, those who are earning so much money, coming out from their houses and doing the businesses, big businessmen, how they are able to get up early in the morning and go to work? It will be 100% impossible if they don't feed themselves. Okay, they have to eat something. Means I'm directly talking about, they need some energy for their body, so that they can stand up and walk for their work. And that food we get from farmers, we get from farms. And that food is not machine made, that is cultivated on the marshland. My dear viewers, even I, being an citizen of India, I have stayed in metropolitan cities. I have seen the rich luxurious life in cities. We don't know how we get food. We buy directly, go to supermarkets, we directly go to shops, and we directly buy the things and come home and we use it for our daily routine. Yes, this was my routine or our routine. Now today, when I have visited my village, I am staying at my village. Now I come to know that how these things happen. The basic thing is farmer. If a construction company builds a building, it needs a base. It needs a base. Without base, that okay. Sorry for the interruption. So I was talking about base. Okay, we cannot construct a building, a tower, without base. Of any house construction can be done without a basement. Means we need a support, so that the land, the building, the structure should be strong. Okay, so the base of our nation are farmers, my dear viewers. So I have been observing these dharnas happenings at Delhi. The farmers are suffering a lot. Okay, see, I'm asking a general thing. When we go for an interview, we present our personality, we give our views, they ask our questions, and then we get selected, and we are up. If we get appointed, we are given a package, say 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, depending on the designation. Okay, why then this farmer? If I call them Annadata, these are Annadatas. See, if these people stop working, no, we have to die. We will not get food from anywhere. Okay, we have to import the food. If you are importing the food, it will be more expensive, and that too, from which country or whatever place you are going to import, there also, who is working in the farmland? The farmer. The basic person is farmer, my dear viewers. So the main motto of making this video, once again I would like to tell you, our government, say anyone, each and every person, each and every citizen, including me, don't ignore farmer. If he is working for hours and hours in his farmland, he is working for us. He has lots of expenses when he is working in his farm. Today I am settled at my village. I am also a son of farmer. When I practically observe these things, it touches my heart. It fills up my heart with the emotion that the work, what they do, hard work, what the expenses, what the cost of producing the what do you say, the paddy, say any kind of cultivation they do, they need a lot of effort, they need a lot of money. And then afterwards, when they sell the things, after the harvesting, when they sell the thing, they don't get the what do you say, particular rate, what do you say, the sufficient money they get. Lot of things are involved this in this agriculture. So my dear viewers, I wish you have understood my view of making this video. The main motto of making this video was to make you aware about the importance of farmer, dear viewers. Our farmer is very important. So don't ignore them. If they are not there, we will be not. We will be also not there. That's all, viewers. If you like my video, I'm not asking to subscribe or anything. If you understand the things, if you are interested, you can subscribe my channel. You share my channels with your friends. I want this information to get door to door, mouth to mouth, phone to phone. Each and every person should know about this thing. Don't ignore farmer. If farmer is not there, we will not get food. It's my serious decision. I hope you understand and you will follow this thing. Thank you very much.